Ready to ride the Solana wave using your Bitcoin stash? First, you'll need an account on a cryptocurrency exchange that supports Bitcoin to Solana swaps. Think Binance, Kraken, or KuCoin. If you don't have one already, signing up is usually a breeze. Just follow their registration process. Next, deposit your Bitcoin into your exchange account. Find the deposit option, copy your unique Bitcoin deposit address from the exchange, and paste it into your Bitcoin wallet to send your coins over. Once your Bitcoin is safely in your exchange wallet, navigate to the trading section and look for the BTC Sol trading pair. That's Bitcoin to Solana. Now, decide how much Solana you want to buy with your Bitcoin. You can place a market order for instant execution at the current price, or set a limit order to buy Solana at a specific price you're aiming for. Double-check all the details of your order to ensure everything is correct, then confirm your purchase. And that's it. Your Solana should now be visible in your exchange wallet. From there, you can hold it, trade it, or even transfer it to a private Solana wallet for extra security. Now you're officially part of the Solana ecosystem.